Want your dividends to automatically buy more shares on Fidelity? Here's how to reinvest them using the Fidelity app. Step 1. Log in. Open the Fidelity app and sign into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account where you hold the stock or mutual fund. Look for the Dividends and Capital Gains section. Step 3. Update distribution preferences. Find the security or fund you want to update. Tap Update next to it. Step 4. Choose Reinvestment option. Select Reinvest in Security to automatically buy more shares with your dividends. You can also choose to apply this setting to all current and future holdings. Step 5. Confirm changes. Tap Update and review the confirmation screen. Your changes take effect immediately. Note, you can't update settings for some account types like IRA, BDA, or PASS. For mutual funds, you can choose different settings for dividends and capital gains. If you signed up for email alerts, you'll get a confirmation within 1 to 2 business days. And that's it! Your dividends will now be automatically reinvested.